This is an audio recording of Building Your Knowledge, Weather versus Climate. In this unit, the words weather and climate appear quite often. Although both terms relate to the state of the atmosphere, they do not mean exactly the same thing. How are they different? Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. For example, a friend may ask, "What was the weather like when you were at the beach yesterday?" Your friend wants to know about the weather on a certain day at a certain place. Your answer might be, "In the morning it was rainy, but then it got really hot and windy." What I want you to do is circle the word weather and climate. And they both relate to the state of the atmosphere, but they don't mean the same thing. Weather is a state of the atmosphere at a certain particular time and place. Your answer refers to three important elements of weather: precipitation, temperature, and wind speed. Other elements are atmospheric pressure, humidity, and cloud cover. Remember that weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. So if a planet has no atmosphere, it has no weather. What you're going to do is these are the elements of weather. Okay? The first one is precipitation. The second is temperature. The third is wind speed. The fourth is atmospheric or air pressure. The fifth is humidity. And the sixth is cloud cover. All are elements of weather. Climate refers to weather patterns that are characteristic of a region or place for many years. For example, you might describe the climate of the southwestern United States as hot and dry, or you might say that the climate of a town near the coast is more moderate than that of a town 100 kilometers inland. Over many thousands of years, the climate can change, and this has happened in most parts of the world during long geologic spans of time. Later in the unit, you will investigate the methods scientists use to collect data that is associated with climate change. So what you're going to do is circle climate and then underline the definition, which refers to the weather patterns that are characteristic of a region or place for many years. And this is over about 30 years. When the word moderate is used, moderate means that it's not too cold or not too warm. So some towns are moderate. When they talk about inland, they're talking about not close to the sea. And the final thing is they're talking about climate change does happen, but it happens over many, many years. And these many, many years we call geologic spans of time. This is an audio recording of Weather versus Climate. Please ask your teacher if you have any questions.